Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I want to talk about something that's been making waves across Zimbabwe. Over the last few weeks, there have been some shocking revelations about our government's spending habits. Imagine this: private jets flying off to Paris, luxury cars rolling in for motorcades, and VVIP pavilions sprouting up at the airport. All of this extravagance is being paid for by our hard-earned taxpayer money. But here's the kicker. While our leaders are living it up, the rest of the country is struggling to make ends meet. We're talking about a government that can't seem to prioritize feeding its own people, yet it finds the funds for luxury villas that aren't even completed. It's outrageous, right? Let's break this down a bit. The Zimbabwean businessman Moses Mpofu and the Economic Empowerment Group president Mike Chimombe are at the center of this scandal. They're accused of laundering money in a US $40 million Zimbabwe Electoral Commission tender and mismanaging an US $87 million presidential goat scheme. Yes, you heard that right, a goat scheme. The Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission, or Sabc, is hot on their trail, investigating how these funds were misappropriated. Instead of supplying goats for the presidential goat scheme, which was meant to uplift our communities, Mpofu and Chimombe allegedly splurged the money on luxury cars and houses. And what did we get? Just a fraction of the promised goats. It's a slap in the face for every hardworking Zimbabwean. This scandal has sparked widespread outrage. Citizens are demanding accountability from those in power and calling for a transparent investigation into the matter. We deserve answers. We deserve leaders who prioritize our well-being over their own luxury. And this isn't an isolated incident. It's part of a larger pattern of corruption and mismanagement that has plagued our country for far too long. But there's hope. The outcome of this investigation could set a precedent for future efforts to combat corruption in Zimbabwe. We need to keep the pressure on, keep demanding change, and not let this issue fade away. So what can we do? First, stay informed and keep talking about these issues. Share this video, discuss it with your friends and family, and let your voice be heard. Second, support organizations and leaders who are genuinely committed to fighting corruption and promoting transparency. And finally, remember that change starts with us. We have the power to hold our leaders accountable and demand a better future for Zimbabwe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on this crucial issue. Let's keep the conversation going and make a difference together. Until next time, stay strong, Zimbabwe.